Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a 74 Trans Am. Yes, there's a 455 under the hood. It's an automatic car, and this baby's been completely restored inside, outside, upside, bottom side, under the hood, the interior. The thing is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a close look. Love this car, man. Look at the paint on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. My hat is off to the painter and the body man on this thing. The guy that refinished everything just did a beautiful job. That bird is absolutely gorgeous. And there's the signature hood scoop with that 455 on the side, looking sweet. I tell you what, you do not see these cars done to this level very often. These babies were beat on, driven into the ground. Every 18, 20-year-old kid on the planet was pulling the motor, wrapping it around telephone poles, whatever. I tell you, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Very low mileage car when they started, very, very well kept car when they started, and then just an over-the-top restoration on it. You can see that the door panel looks beautiful. Looks like it's brand new. The carpeting looks great. The center console, the steering wheel, the upholstery. I mean, just everything about the car is absolutely gorgeous. They did such a nice job on this thing. And it always helps when you start with a good specimen to begin with. And you can tell this was one beautiful car when they started the restoration. She is beautiful. The dash itself's in gorgeous shape. These cars always seem to show their wear, which this one does not. It looks like it's brand new inside. Very beautiful car right here. And those doors close so nicely. Everybody knows those great big long heavy doors. They got worn out quick. Look at this thing, beautiful. Now the keyhole is down here underneath the gas cap. Remember when they put the gas caps back here? And then looky there, space saver spare in there. Remember those? I never used one of those in my entire life. I've been around cars my whole life. I've been around a lot of Pontiacs too. And I tell you what, I never, ever, ever used one of those space-saving spares. I have no clue how that thing works. Look down the side of it. Absolutely gorgeous. Straight as can be. Look at the way that passenger door fits. You can tell they spent the time and did it right. Got all the body lines probably better than factory original. And then just the way these great big giant doors shut. They just shut so nicely. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Trans Am, so you know we did our homework and checked it out first before we bought it. Then when every car gets here to Vanguard, they go up on the lift, they get inspected, we do our pictures, we do our videos, so we can answer every question you may have about the car. So call Tom anytime. All right, we're in the Trans Am now. Unfortunately, it is nasty outside. We don't want to drive this car out in the nastiness, so we're going to do the video right inside here. You can see that the dash is all in beautiful shape. Everything looking sweet. We've had it up on the lift. She's looking beautiful. Just an amazing car. Now, the guys have driven this. The mechanics drove it a couple days ago. I mean, she's driving phenomenal. What a cool car too, man. Numbers matching, 455 under the hood. Beautiful paint work. I mean, she is gorgeous. And we can park this dream in your driveway. It doesn't matter where you live. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can also help out with financing. No problem whatsoever. Now, make sure that you like this video and make sure you share it with somebody. And subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like this, guys. So stick with us. We're going to put it up on the lift for you right now, and we'll get the hood up and show you what's going on. All right, we're underneath the TA now, and man, is it clean under here. You just do not see these things this clean. Look at that, paintwork all looking sweet. We do have a Flowmaster muffler on here, so it's gonna have a little better sound, but it is still stock appearing. We got a drain on the diff, which is cool. The 10 bolt has got right around a 308 gear in it. You can see the exhaust is all tucked up in there, nice and neat. The sway bar, all the bushings look like they've been replaced. The brake lines look like they've been replaced. I see brand new hardware here. And our guys will go through the brakes. They take the brakes apart on every car. I got new vapor lines, fuel lines, and brake lines going front to back. It looks like they put like POR 15 on the bottom here. They've cleaned up the bottom side all nice and clean, and then brushed on some POR 15. And then it's got a nice shiny coat of paint on the frame. We got new bushings in the frame. The cross members painted up nice. They did a nice job putting some paint on the trans here. This is a Turbo 400. That's a 3-speed automatic and similar to what would have come in the car originally. We got the high torque starter here, which is an upgrade also. You can see the cross members all painted up, looking good, and it's in beautiful shape. Normally these things are all bent to hell from floor jacks throughout the years. We got good looking bushings here. We got, looks like new ball joints. We got a lot of new steering gear. We got disc brakes up front. I see a new flex line up there. You can see all the aero up here, all looking sweet. Just everything, all the paint work looking good. I see new bushings here also in the core support. Everything looking sweet here. Now, the wheels and tires, the paint work on the wheel is beautiful. The center caps are beautiful. The trim rings are beautiful. The tires are 225/60 15s. And then working our way down here, you can see the pinch weld looks good. Everything's lined up real nice. Again, these floorboards are just gorgeous. And we got great paint on the springs also here and on the shackles here where they bolt up to the frame. Out back here, again, the rims painted up nice, the center cap, the trim ring, and then we got two 45/60 15s out back. And then take a quick look at these tips on the exhaust. Those are stainless and they are looking sweet. Let's lower it down and look under the hood of that 455. All right, under the hood, we've got beautiful work under here. Numbers matching 455 here. Now, I'd pull in a car show, and the first thing I'd do is raise the hood of this baby so everybody can be in amazement of how beautiful the bottom under the hood is here. You can see she's got power brakes, power steering. Everything under here is clean as a whistle. All the paint work looks good. All the hoses, all the lines. It does have the HEI distributor back there. It is air conditioned. You see all the aluminum on the air conditioning fittings and everything are all looking sweet. We've got the chrome valve covers. We got the winner's mark there on the intake. Everything's looking beautiful. The firewall, what you can see of it, is nicely cleaned up. The bottom side of the hood's painted chassis black. You guys all know this whole front area on these are normally really beat up. This is all looking sweet under here. Fan shroud's still in great shape. I mean, just everything about the car is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So give us a call, 248-974-9513. Let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.